Hello my dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you subject Maths in Standard 5th. In this video, we will continue with our chapter number 2, Number Work. We will solve questions from problem set 2. This is part 2 in which we solve question number 4, 5, 6. For part 1, see the description box and link given in the description box. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side to get my videos of Standard 5th. Children, in part 1 of problem set 2, we have solved question number 1, 2, 3. Now in this video, this is part 2 of problem set 2. We will be solving question number 4, 5 and 6. So let us see. Question number 4 is, how many rupees do they make? So we have given some number of notes and they are of how many rupees. We will have to add them and together we will have to find how many rupees do they make. So let us see first question. 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees and 14 notes of 10 rupees. Let us see how to solve it. We will write the answer. I have written the question as it is on my page. Now, first we have to take 20 notes of 1000 rupees. I write here 20 notes of 1000 rupees. Means how many rupees together they make? Together they make 20 into 1000. What is 20 into 1000? It will be 20,000. Okay, it will be 20,000. 20 notes of 1000 rupees means 20 into 1000 equal to 20,000. Now let us see second is 5 notes of 100 rupees. So I write here 5 notes of 100 rupees. So it means it is equal to 5 into 100. What is 5 into 100 equal to? It is 500. Now last type of notes are 14 notes of 10 rupees. 14 notes of 10 rupees. It means what we have to multiply? We have to multiply 14 into 10. 14 into 10, what you all will be getting? 140. Now we will do the total of all these three numbers together. What we can get? 0, 0, 0 total. Okay, we will be adding. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then this 0 as it is we have to put down. This 2 as it is we have to put down. How much we have got? 20,640. So together how many rupees do they make? Together they make rupees 20,640. Okay, now let us go on second question from this sum. 15 notes of 1000 rupees, 12 notes of 100 rupees, 8 notes of 10 rupees and 5 coins of 1 rupees. How many rupees do they make? Let us solve. Answer. First we have to find the value of 15 notes of 1000 rupees. So I write here 15 notes of 1000 rupees will be equal to, it will be equal to 15 into 1000. What will be the answer? Answer will be equal to 15,000. Correct. Now next is 12 notes of 100 rupees. So I write here 12 notes of 100 rupees. So we have to multiply 12 into 100. 12 into 100. What will be the answer? 1200. 12 into 100 is 12 into 1 is 12, and these 2 zeros we will put afterwards. Now next is 8 notes of 10 rupees. 8 notes of 10 rupees. Which two numbers we will have to multiply? 8 into 10. What is 8 into 10? 8 tens are 80. So we write 80 here. Properly write unit place digit, below unit place digit, tens place digit, below tens place digit. Write the digits carefully. Now next one is 5 coins of 1 rupee. 5 coins of 1 rupee. Which two number we have to multiply? 5 into 1 will be equal to 5 ones are 5. One digit only unit place we will have to put. Now what we have to do? We have to add all these numbers. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. What will be the answer? 5. 0 plus 0 plus 8. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. And this one we have to put down as it is. So answer is, what will be the answer? How to read it? It is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000 means this two digit together we will have to take 16,285. So together they make rupees 16,285. Now next question, question number 5 is, write the biggest and smallest 5-digit numbers that can be made using the digits 4, 5, 0, 3, 7 only once. So we have to make biggest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number by using these digits. We have to use the digit one time only. We should not repeat the digits in our number. That means 4 cannot be repeated, 5 cannot be repeated, 0 cannot be repeated, 3 and 7 also cannot be repeated. We have to write the number one time only. Okay, so only once we will have to write the number, and we have to make biggest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. Let us see how to make it. I have written the question as it is on my page, and then now I will be writing the biggest 5-digit number. For writing biggest 5-digit number from these digits, which is the biggest number? Can we say that 4 is the biggest number? No. 5? No. 0? No. 3? No. 7? Yes. 7 is the biggest number from all these numbers. Among all these numbers, 7 is the biggest. So we start from 7. Now after 7, the smaller number than 7 is 5. Okay. Then I will write 5. Okay. Now after 5, which is the smaller than 5, 4 is there. So I write 4. After 4, 3 is there. I write 3. And then 0 is the smallest one. So 0 can be written in the end. So in this way we have made 5-digit biggest number by using these digits. How to read this? 0 is at unit place. So unit, tens, 100, 400. Correct. Then 1000, 10,000. In 10,000 we take these two digits, we make the number 75, and then we write 1000. 75,430. So we put comma here. 75,430 is the biggest 5-digit number. Now let us see smallest 5-digit number. So we have to start it with the smallest number. Smallest number is 0. But we start with 0. If we start with 0, it will not have any value. For example, if I write 0 first, here I am writing with pencil. If I write 0 first, 0 is the smallest number. As we have seen in biggest number, we have started from biggest, then we go smaller, 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 and then smallest. In smallest 5-digit number, we have to start from the smallest number, and then we keep on going bigger number. So after 0, there will be the bigger number than 0 is 3, then 4 is there, then 5 is there, and then 7 is there. But this number cannot be said 5-digit number, because 0, it started with 0, and when the number is started with 0, we cannot consider this digit. we can say that this is only a 4-digit number, 3457. So you should not start the number with 0. You can start with the other smaller number, little bigger than 0, but it should be smaller. So little bigger than 0 and smaller number is 3. So we should start with 3. Okay. And after 3 now we can put 0. Then the bigger number than 3 and 0 is 4. Then bigger than 4 is 5. And biggest number is 7. So in this way we have got the smallest 5-digit number by using this digit. How to read? Let us see. It is unit, place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000 is there. That means we have to take first 2 digits and put the comma. It is 1000, 30,457. In this way we have to make biggest and smallest 5-digit number. Now let's go on next question. Now last question, 6th question. The names of some places and their populations are given below. Use this information to answer the questions that follow. So we have given the places, names of places and their population. For example, here place name is Tala and its population is 40,642. Second place name is Gagan Bawda. Its population is 35,777. Third place name is Bodhwad. Population is 91,256. Fifth place is Moregaon. Population is 87,012. Bhamragad place. Population is 35,950. Next place name is Velle and population is 54,497. Next place name is Ashti. Its population is 76,201. Next place name is Vashi. Its population is 92,173. And last place is Morwada. Its population is 85,890. So all the places population is in 10,000s. Okay. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. All the places population is in the number of 10,000, in the multiples of 10,000. So we will have to check which number is the biggest one, which number is the smallest one, so we can write the answers of these questions accurately. So 40,000, 35,000, 91,000, 87, 35, 54, 76, 92, 85. Which number is the biggest? 92 is the biggest. That means what? 92,173 is the biggest number. Correct. And which one you can see is the smallest? Smallest is these two numbers, 35, 35, they are smaller. But in Bhamragad it is 35,950. And in Gagan Bawda it is 35,777. So 9 is bigger and 7 is smaller. That means this is the smallest one. This number is the smallest number. And this number is the biggest number. Okay. Same thing we will be writing here also on my page. Biggest number we have got this 92,173, this is the biggest, and 35,777 is the smallest one. Now let us read the questions and write their answers carefully. While writing the answers, you should see that the answer should be written in full sentence, in one sentence. Okay. So first question is, which place has the greatest population? What is its population? That means first we have to write the name of place and then we have to write the population. So which place is having greatest? It is Vashi. Greatest population is 92,173. So write the answer carefully. Which place? Vashi. Vashi has the greatest population. There are two questions in this single question, correct? So first question is which place has greatest population, and same question there is second question, what is its population? Its population is 92,173. So we write its population is 92,173. Okay, now let us go on next question. Which place, Morwada or Moregaon, has the greater population? So we have to check the population of Morwada as well as Moregaon. Here it is Morwada. Morwada population is 85,890 and Moregaon population is 87,012. 87 is bigger than 85. So Moregaon is having greatest population, or Moregaon is having greater population than Morwada. So here we write answer. Moregaon has greater population than Morwada. Okay, so in this way, in full sentence we have to write the answer. Now third question is, which place has smallest population? We have seen the smallest number, it is 35,077. Which place does it have? Gaganbawda. So Gaganbawda has the smallest population, and how much is the population? It is 35,777. So write answer. Gaganbawda has the smallest population. Full stop. Second question answer is how much it is? It is 35,777. So in this way we have completed all the questions from problem set 2 in this second part also. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.